Hello guys, welcome back with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Intel called Delni Mobile IPO Bloomberg. According to a report from Bloomberg Monday afternoon, due to the recent border market decline, Intel is reducing expectation for the mobile IPO. Certain people familiar with the process, the article states Intel, which wants to spin off part of its shares, could postpone the share sale for the self-driving technology business until next year if the current market environment doesn't improve. The IPO is expected to value the company at up to $30 billion, which is lower than initially expected. Intel's original plan was for a May 2022 IPO, with reports previously quoting valuation of up to $50 billion. Mobileye is a chip maker for cameras and drive assistance components. Bloomberg, Reuters, linking, and Crystal the site it is seen as a prized asset as the automotive industry moves towards fully automated cars. So far, in 2022, U.S. IPO activity has decreased significantly. Alongside the recent bear market for chip stock, it has made the potential mobile IPO harder to complete. According to EY, an overwhelming majority of 2021 IPOs are trading below their initial IPO price in 2022. However, there is still a chance the offering could go ahead if semiconductor stocks rebound, Bloomberg source told them. Chip tech startup C5 launched products aimed to automotive market by John Lee. Solutions Valley startup C5 on Tuesday launched three new products aimed at the automotive market, which is emerging as one of the healthiest areas for chip market, with electric and self-driving cars expected to boost the number of chips needed. The new chip design launched are the E6A series for digital control applications like steering, CS7A for so-called safety lanes that act as a fail-safe for other critical applications, and to manage data from image sensors and do machine learning work, including for autonomous driving, where you will see use going as from this targets compute chips to a range of processors that will be available over the coming 12 to 24 months, said C5 CEO Patrick Little. Before C5, Little helped build Qualcomm's automotive business and said both Qualcomm and NVIDIA Corp could be great customer and partners for C5. Qualcomm and NVIDIA are both betting on automotive as big business and have launched systems such as Snapdragon Ride and that automotive customer can use for application including autonomous driving. C5 does not make chip, but makes the blueprint for a chip market to use. It uses a REST-V instruction set architecture, best for building chips that defines what kind of software can run on the chips. ARM, and Intel are the dominant ISI used today for general-purpose processor of the brands of computers and are property in an open standard and is garnering traction, especially in China. C5 competes with ARM, which is also targeting the automotive market. Little said some of the strongest demand for its chip technology is coming from customers looking to develop autonomous faceless. So, Intel targets low $30 valuation for IPO of its mobile division may delay, Bloomberg. Targets lower valuation for IPO mobile division may delay, Bloomberg. Intel, however, there is still a chance the offering could go ahead if some semiconductor stock rebound, Bloomberg source told them. Down 50%, advanced micro device looks like a buy, but it At this power lower price, AMD stocks does look especially attractive. This is a company that has exuded an incredible turnaround. 2022 growth should be impressive. Long-term outlook remains intact as long as investors trust management and they should AMD stock is too cheap. Maybe that's all from me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.